Hey, what's up guys? So today I have here is a back plate watch press. So basically you got your watch and I'm having a little trouble putting the back plate even though I lined it up with the gap and all. Show you guys what I mean. I tried everything to push it in and it does not push in. So I decided to get a back plate press. So let's get it open so you guys like what I mean. Okay, so I got one of these. Okay, so this is the watch press kit. So you have the different sizes. Go through the instructions to make sure you know how to use. Okay, so basically you have these circles. Okay, so these you're gonna wanna match the best you can to the outside of your watch. So this one's a bit small. Okay, you can see this one fits on the outside. Get your press out. This is the press. Take this twist tie off. Okay, so that is your press. So now you will screw this one on the bottom side, which you can see the little screws. Okay, lock that one in. So now on your, okay, you get the one that's closer to the one. This one right here will be perfect. Screw this one in. Grab your watch. Line everything the best you can. Place it right in the center. Bring it down. And you hear a clip. Pick it up. Slide it out. And your watch is pressed. Very, very good. Press right down. Perfect. No issue at all. The watch is back. Very nice. I recommend this tool if you cannot press your back plate of your watch. Very nice.